Mustafa, over to you now. Tell us about each accused, 7 in total, all of them acquitted. Court is unable to rely on evidence. Grave suspicion. But mere suspicion cannot take the prosecution and take that case ahead. A grave incident against society had happened. Court cannot convict just on moral grounds. Prosecution had to establish evidence beyond doubt. Mustafa, go ahead.
Well, that's true that since the time Special Judge A.K. Lahoti started pronouncing the judgment, he went through in conclusion and in detail, first referring about the FIR and the technical details to it, then the police failing to establish how the motorbike was parked in a cordon off area. Third, that the vehicle ownership is not confirmed by the prosecution evidences. Third, the prosecution evidences cannot be relied upon. Fourth, the UAPA case, the prosecution was taken not properly and hence the UAP doesn't apply to the case, and hence the court has said that all this being said by the prosecution has been just a narrative. It's not been proven in evidence and hence all the 7 accused have been acquitted. Back to you.
All right, Divyesh continues to be with us. Divyesh, what all is being said currently by the judge? Take us to the details. And remember, our team is on high alert right now because the accused are going to be coming out. First reaction on from what Sadhvi Pragya will say, or Lieutenant Colonel Purohit and 5 others. Divyesh, over to you. All 7 accused acquitted in the 2008 Malegaon blast case.
Well, Pooja, this is huge. The case which started in 2008, Sadhvi Pragya Singh Thakur, Lieutenant Colonel Purohit, Major Upadhyay, there were several others who were arrested, and then the ATS, the Anti-Terrorism Squad of Maharashtra Police, had termed it as Saffron Terror, an organization named Abhinav Bharat. It was being said by the ATS that Abhinav Bharat was the organization of which all these accused were members, and they had hatched a conspiracy to carry out terror activity in Malegaon. The blast that allegedly killed 6 persons, injured 101 others. But now the court, after lengthy trial, after investigation by 4 agencies, the Nashik Rural Police, the Azad Nagar Police Station, the Anti-Terrorism Squad, the National Investigation Agency, investigation by 4 agencies, lengthy trial of 17 years, and now the verdict comes out that all the 7 accused are acquitted. The Panchnama was faulty, the scene of crime was contaminated, police officials had coerced and taken statements using force, and the witness statements